is mostly famous as one of the world's most photographed supermodels, but these days she's moved behind the camera and has made a name for herself as a very talented and accomplished photographer. We met up in Cairo with the aim of providing you with some tips on how to take your best ever holiday photos this summer.
I really love the way that all the tones are muted and then something just bursts out.
We wandered through the bazaar together, snapping away with a pair of Canon EOS 450Ds, the entry-level SLR camera that came out top in a recent Gadget Show test. Tip 1 is don't go for the obvious.
I mean, obviously, when you're approaching these buildings, you don't sort of just take a shot of the whole building. What sort of things do you do?
Well, I mean, for example, right here, I think it's really beautiful with that woman's face. We don't know who she is. She might be lost. She might be a criminal. It might be a man. And then with the coloring of the chairs, that weird, abandoned kind of... But I'd probably shoot it straight on.
I agree completely with Helena. You'll encapsulate the mood and feeling of a place much, much better by shooting little scenes and textures rather than always going for a dirty great wide shot. Tip 2 is all about when to take your photos.
Any particular form of days you like best? Particular sort of lighting? And
Yeah, that definitely is. It would be dusk, right before the last light go.
Again, I agree wholeheartedly with Helena. My visit to the pyramids was at 6:30 in the morning, while the sun was still low and the tourist hordes were still in bed. Tip 3 is always keep your camera handy.
I mean, what about the sort of landscapes of places you go to? How do you tackle those?
You know, mostly I shoot landscapes from cars because I drive so much to and from airports and to locations and all.
So, obviously, keep your camera with you at all times. Street life is unfolding in front of you, and it really sums up the feel of a foreign place. Our final tip is to take lots of shots of people, whether you're friends or locals.
If I was doing a portrait of someone and I could place them somewhere, I would probably place them. You see how beautiful the light is right when they're coming through?
Yeah.
So, you know, I like dark sort of surroundings and then almost like you're placing someone in a box and there's one available light.
So, Mr. Bentley, who'd have thought it? You, in Egypt, with a supermodel taking holiday snaps.